Anyone who enjoys cooking has probably daydreamed a little about what it might be like to work as a chef. But no one rolls out of bed one day and magically becomes a culinary master.
Voila.
Wonderful.
Shall we taste it?
Yes.
Becoming an expert chef takes years of learning, practicing, and mastering the craft. While there are no strict educational or training requirements to becoming a chef, it's still a learning process. For some, the knowledge and skills are simply gained during those long hours in the kitchen, but for others, the expertise and mastery of cooking are formally learned in a culinary school, such as the Iowa Culinary Institute at Des Moines Area Community College.
We serve students all around the Metro Des Moines area, in fact, across the state and really around the world. We have students that come to us from all walks of life to get training in not only culinary arts, but really everything food and hospitality.
Just so you guys know, if you want to heavy-handed with sugar on this recipe, it's not going to hurt it.
So we have 6 full-time instructors here. All of our instructors have executive chef experience in one way, shape, or form. You know, we kind of come from all over with different areas of expertise that we're able to share that knowledge with our students.
Get over it. We want you to sample. That's why we call it a taste panel. Okay? It's very mild, it's very light, it's yummy.
You know, I think the biggest thing, and this is where I have the utmost respect for all of our instructors here, is the amount of patience that it takes to teach others.
It'll look like a house. There you go.
But especially in the culinary world, where we are typically faced with needing to produce very quickly.
Can you put a little more sauce in there on the turkey?
Very short deadlines.
Another salmon.
Really thinking on your toes, being able to act very quickly. It's completely opposite when you are in the lab setting with students, because you really do have to take your time. You have to show them, you have to hold their hand, walk them through processes. You need to allow them to make mistakes so that they can learn from them.
I'm gonna take a shot in the dark.
Okay.
Working as a chef in the industry, you don't have the luxury to do.
Well, you're gonna film me spilling this, aren't you?
So it really does take a completely different mindset. It takes a special person to be able to be a culinary arts instructor.
We're going to heat this up at the same time. Go ahead.
Just having the mindset of knowing what it takes to be a chef.
We gotta pour it through the wire mesh.
A lot of people on the outside think of it as just knowing how to cook really well, but really it's how to manage, how to know your client, and just how to know your area and everything. So it's a lot more than just putting good food on a plate. It's really building up a whole atmosphere of knowing more than just the food. It's what goes around it, what goes to get that food on the table.
But it's really important that our students learn the full gamut of the hospitality industry. You know, the days of a chef hiding back in the kitchen, you know, standing over the stove all day, that doesn't work anymore. We want our students to be able to do everything from work in the kitchen and produce the food, but also to have the ability to communicate with guests and customers.
You got this. You got this.
Everything's related to culinary. They're converting recipes. They're looking at yield percentages. Furthermore, they're doing it in a very hands-on way. You know, it's awesome to see their passion as they enter the school, but then to see it grow and blossom as they progress through school and ultimately graduate.